2.29, fill in the gaps to the following table, assuming each column represents a neutral atom. First, the symbol is 79 with a Br down here. I can look on the periodic table and find bromine is element number 35, so that gives me 35 protons right here. To find the number of neutrons, I would take 79, the mass number, minus 35 to find the number of neutrons that are in the nucleus. And so that would be 44. 79 minus 35 is 44. And then the number of electrons, since there's no little mark in the upper right-hand corner here, I assume that the electrons are equal to the protons, so that would be 35. And then the mass number would be the protons plus the neutrons, which is in the upper left-hand corner here, and so that would be 79. That's the end of the first column. The second column has 25 protons right here, and so I look on the periodic table to find the element that has 25 protons, and it looks like it's manganese right here. So my symbol would be Mn, and I'll hold off on the upper left-hand corner number here for just a second. There are 30 neutrons, that's given to me in the book. 30 plus 25 gives me the mass number, which would be 55, and I'd put that number in the upper left-hand corner here, 55. The electrons are equal to the protons, so my number of electrons would also be 25. The next column, there are 48 electrons in this one, and there are 64 neutrons in this one. Since the neutrons are, I'm told that it is a neutral atom, since the electrons are equal to the protons, I would have 48 protons as well. And now I can look on the periodic table and I can find element number 48, and 48 is cadmium. So Cd would be the symbol that would go up above here. And then my mass number would be the protons plus the neutrons right here, and 48 plus 64 would add up to 112, and the 112 would go in the upper left-hand corner right here. The last one has 82 protons, and then its mass number is 207 down here. First, I look on the periodic table to find out the symbol of that, and element 82 is peanut butter, or lead, Pb. The 207 would go in the upper left-hand corner right here, indicating that there's 207 protons plus neutrons. It's an electrical neutral atom, which means that there would also be 82 electrons. And then I would do some math of 207 minus 82 to find out the number of neutrons, and that turns out to be 125.